Winter is the season that places the highest demands on heating systems. Stable, safe, and continuous hot water and heating determine the comfort of the entire household. Vangood Gas Combi Boiler, a whole house heating solution born for winter. As a source manufacturer, Vangood specializes in the R&D and production of gas wall-hung boilers. We have introduced advanced automated production lines and intelligent testing equipment to ensure stable performance and reliable quality from the manufacturing source. Technical expertise and stringent standards form the foundation we consistently uphold. Quality verification. We guarantee the quality of every gas combi boiler. Commissioning and safety testing are essential to ensure smooth system operation and meet the usage needs of different households and markets. One equipment meets all your home's needs. The Vangood Gas Combi Boiler simultaneously supplies kitchen water, bathroom hot water, underfloor heating systems, and radiator heating. It delivers continuous, reliable thermal support for everyday use and cold winter months alike. Vangood provides one-stop ODM and OEM services. From product customization and technical support to bulk delivery, we offer efficient and reliable solutions for global clients. Stable performance, reliable quality, professional manufacturing. Vangood Gas Combi Boiler, a trusted choice for home heating. Contact us to learn more about our products and partnership opportunities.